Question 1. Humoral immunity is due to option A, B lymphocytes, option B, T lymphocytes, option C, L lymphocyte, option D, P lymphocyte. Answer is option A, B lymphocytes. Question 2. The antibodies are A. Option A, lipids, option B, germs, option C, proteins, option D, carbohydrates. Answer is option C, proteins. Antibodies are glycoproteins. It is glycoprotein. Which are highly specific to specific antigens. So it is highly specific to specific antigens. So answer is proteins. Question number 3. 4 polypeptide chains of an antibody are held together by option A, disulfide bond, option B, glycosidic bond, option C, phosphodiester bond, option D, none of these. Answer is option A, disulfide bond. The 4 polypeptide chains of an antibody are held together by disulfide bond. It is SS bond to form a Y-shaped structure. So 4 polypeptide chains of an antibody are held together by disulfide bond. Question number 4. Antigen binding site in an antibody is found between option A, 2 light chains, option B, 2 heavy chains, option C, 1 heavy and 1 light chain, option D, either between 2 light chains or between 1 heavy and 1 light chain. Answer is option C, 1 heavy and 1 light chain. Question number 5. Antigens are present, option A, inside nucleus, option B, on the cell surface, option C, inside cytoplasm, option D, on nuclear membrane. Answer is option B, on the cell surface. Question number 6. The segment of antigen that is specifically recognized, option A, epitopes, option B, memory region, option C, non-determinants, option D, self-limitation. Answer is option A, epitopes. Question number 7. The function of antibody is or are, option A, agglutination of bacteria and viruses, option B, opsonization of bacteria, option C, neutralization of bacteria, toxins, option D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 8. Allergens are, option A, non-infectious and increased secretin of IgE and histamines, option B, infectious and increased secretion of IgM and histamines, option C, non-infectious and decreased secretion of IgG antibodies, option D, infectious and increased secretion of IgE antibodies. Answer is option A, non-infectious and increased secretion of IgE and histamine. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a live vaccine? Option A, BCG vaccine, option B, chlora vaccine, option C, OPV, option D, measles vaccine. Answer is option B, chlora vaccine. Question number 10. Cancer is related to option A, uncontrolled growth of tissues, option B, non-malignant tumor, option C, controlled division of tissues, option D, none of these. Answer is uncontrolled growth of tissues. Cancer is always related to uncontrolled growth of tissues. Question number 11. Spread of cancerous cells to distant sites is termed as, option A, metastasis, option B, oncogenes, Option C, proto-oncogenes. Option D, malignant neoplasm. Answer is option A, metastasis. Question number 12. A benign tumor differs from malignant one in that option A benign tumor shows metastasis. Option B, it presides on neighboring organs to produce acute pain. Option C, it is enveloped within a capsule. Option D, all of these. Answer is option C, it is enveloped within a capsule. A benign tumor remains confined in the organ. It remains confined in the organ affected and does not spread to other body parts. So it always be confined in a particular organ and it does not spread to other body parts. It is enclosed in a connective tissue. So it is enclosed in a connective tissue. Sheet, whereas a malignant tumor is not enclosed. So malignant is not enclosed. So answer is option C. It is an benign tumor is enveloped within a capsule, whereas malignant is not. Question number 13. Breast cancer is called as option A, sarcoma, option B, carcinoma, option C, leukemia, option D, contagious. Answer is option B, carcinoma. Now carcinoma, cancer that starts in epithelial tissues. It starts in the epithelial tissues. For example, breast cancer. Now sarcoma, cancer that starts in connective tissue. It starts in connective tissue. Example, bone cancer. This is, I have already written, still right, epithelial tissues. Example, breast cancer. Leukemia, cancer that starts in blood cells and lymph. So example is blood cancer. Contagious disease transmitted to contact with infected person. Contact with infected person. So venous breast cancer is also called as, the answer is carcinoma. Question number 14. Which of the following techniques is safest for the detection of cancers? Option A, magnetic resonance imaging MRI. Option B, radiography X-rays. Option C, computed tomography CT. Option D, histopathological studies. Answer is option B, radiography X-rays. Carcinoma refers to cancer of epithelial tissues. Example, the lung. Number 14. Which one of the following technique is safest for the detection of cancer? Option A, magnetic resonance imaging MRI. Option B, radiography X-rays. Option C, computed tomography CT. Option D, histopathological studies. Whenever we are detecting cancer, always the safest is MRI. So magnetic resonance imaging is your answer. Number 15. HIV has option A, lipoprotein envelope, option B, RNA genome, option C, reverse transcriptase, option D, all of them. Answer is all of them. HIV has lipoprotein envelope as well as RNA genome and reverse transcriptase. Question number 16. Symptom of ARC, AIDS related complex is option A, weight loss and diarrhea. Option B, swollen lymph nodes and fever. Option C, loss of appetite and night sweating. Option D, all of these. Answer is all of these. Symptoms of AIDS related complex is weight loss and diarrhea. as well as swollen lymph nodes and fever, and loss of appetite and night sweating. Question number 17. Pneumonia and Kaposi's sarcoma are the symptom of option A, AIDS, option B, leprosy, option C, hepatitis A, option D, hepatitis B. Answer is option A, AIDS. Pneumonia and Kaposi sarcoma are the symptoms of AIDS. Question number 18. The physical changes during adolescence in girls are as follows. Find out odd one. Option A, menstruation. Option B, development of Adam's apple in the neck. Option C, development of pubic hair and hair in armpits. Option D, development of breast. Answer is option B, development of Adam's apple in the neck. Question 19. Hypochondria cause. Option A, mood swings. Option B, undue concern about health. Option C, emotional disturbances. Option D, criminal tendencies. Answer is option B, undue concern about health. Question number 20. Psychotropic drugs are also called option A, narcotics. Option B, mood altering drugs. Option C, hallucinogens. Option D, all of these. Answer is option B, mood altering drugs. Question number 21. Which one of the following depresses brain activity and produces feelings of calmness, relaxation and drowsiness? Option A, Valium. Option B, morphine. Option C, hashish. Option D, amphetamines. Answer is option A, Valium. Valium is the one which depresses brain activity and produces feelings of calmness, relaxation and drowsiness. Question number 22. Drug used as sedative and for including sleep is option A, LSD, option B, barbiturates, option C, heroin, option D, caffeine. Answer is option B, barbiturates. Question number 23. From unripe opium fruit, the opium is extracted. From which one of the following groups narcotin drugs are prepared? Option A, hashish, morphine, heroin. Option B, hashish, codeine, petadine and methadone. Option C, codeine, petadine, methadone, morphine and heroin. Option D, codeine, petadine, methadone and cocaine. Answer is option C, codeine, petadine, methadone, morphine and heroin. Opium contains some 25 alkaloids. The more important are morphine, narcotin, codeine, papaverine, thebaine and narcosin. Question number 24. Heroin is obtained from a plant of family. Option A, Leguminosae. Option B, Papaveraceae. Option C, Liliaceae. Option D, Solanaceae. Answer is option B, Papaveraceae. Question number 25. Hallucinogens. Option A are nerve depressants. Option B are nerve stimulants. Option C alters thoughts, feelings and perceptions. Option D are pain relievers. Hallucinogens are alters thoughts, feelings and perception. Option C. Question number 26. Most of plant products used for drugs are option A, lignin deposits. Option B, alkaloids. Option C, terpenes. Option D, none of these. Answer is alkaloids. Question 27. In alcoholic liver cells, use acetaldehyde for option A, production of fats. Option B, production of energy. Option C, production of protein. Option D, all of these. Answer is option B, production of energy. Question number 28. Alcohol addiction is harmful because it causes option A, deposition of fat in liver. Option B, deposition of protein in liver. Option C, cancer growth. Option D, rise in blood sugar level. Answer is option A, deposition of fat in liver. Question number 29. Parasitology means option A to find the mode of transmission of disease, option B the study of parasite, option C to develop a defense mechanism, option D none of these. Answer is parasitology means the study of parasites. Parasitology means to study and parasito means parasite. Question number 30. Which one is correctly matched? Option A, oncogenes aging. Option B, hemophilia degenerative cells. Option C, diabetes infectious disease. Option D, AIDS virus reverse transcriptase. Answer for this question is, now which one is correctly matched? So the correctly matched one is option D, AIDS virus reverse transcriptase.